following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. At 3:58 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 5 missiles carrying nuclear warheads were detected being launched from northern Cuba. These missiles are confirmed to be heading towards the United States. The following cities will be impacted within the hour: Jacksonville, Florida; Miami, Florida; New Orleans, Louisiana; Orlando, Florida; and Tampa, Florida. All residents within a 600-mile radius of these cities are advised to seek a fallout shelter now. Grab all your family members and bring food, water, medical supplies, a battery-powered flashlight, a battery-powered radio, extra batteries, phone chargers and a cellular phone for your fallout shelter. In addition to this, the United States has launched a nuclear missile in retaliation to Cuba. This missile will impact Havana, Cuba, within the next 30 minutes. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this dangerous situations.